శ్రీదేవి ఏబిఎన్ ఆంధ్రజ్యోతికి ఇచ్చిన చివరి ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Let me first welcome you, ma'am, in Hyderabad city. We feel a lot of pleasure and feel proud when you land in this city. So first, I wanted to know, man, what connection you get when you land to the city.
Well, I grown up here and I had such a beautiful memories about Hyderabad. And in the beginning, as a child star, I did so many films in Hyderabad. And even while my husband made so many films in Hyderabad, and my children literally grown up in Hyderabad. So most of the time when they were small, they used to think it was their house. Yeah. So I had great memories. And Hyderabad always, I enjoy being in Hyderabad.
And ma'am, the movie is getting into multi-language. We are listening into Tamil, Telugu, and every language, Malayalam. So what do you have to say? I mean, the reach has to be more. That was the idea.
Look, the subject it's a universal subject. This is for all the languages, and it's about mother's emotion, it's about the children, it's about the teenagers. So it's for all of them.
And ma'am, when you were going through the script, so the word came mom first or script on the base of that mom was subtitle was decided?
Well, this title decided by Boniji and of course the director, but the subject came first.
And ma'am, there are so many moms who, the daughters say, you should become like Sridevi mom. There are daughters, they keep telling their moms that we want a mom like Sridevi mom because she's friendly. So what do you have to say for mothers or daughters?
Well, all the mothers are special. They're selfless. And the mothers means it's, that love. It's in the world, I don't think so it can be compared with anything.
Ma'am, a moment which you remember while shooting for this mom, a shoot or a moment?
Well, every scene was special. As an actor, it's been a wonderful experience and very, very satisfying experience for me working in Mom.
And ma'am, being so much in this industry, like English we saw, now this is a different subject. So we can see that subjects will be different for you all the time on the future, the choosing of subjects.
Well, I can't say I don't plan things. English just happened. It's like that, even say mom also. So in the future, I don't know what is it.
As you said, ma'am, that your daughters hugged you and they were in tears. So what was your reaction when they do like this?
They hugged me and when they cried, I was smiling and happy.
You were saying something to them?
No, I was just looking at their face and seeing their expression because I never seen them like that.
Future, we can see both of them working, you and your daughters.
Well,
and all are excited.
I don't know how I can say that. It all depends.
Message to the daughters.
Please love their children. Love their mother. No, I'm telling the daughters.
Yeah.
Please love your parents. They are the best. They are your well-wishers. So listen to them, respect them. And they're smart and very sensible children nowadays. So I don't have to teach.